Faster drilling for faster internet. This is ensured by horizontal drilling machines from AT Boretec with Wachendorff CANopen encoders galvanically isolated. For the continuous automation of their mobile horizontal drilling machines, AT Boretec relies on automotive robust CANopen encoders of the WDGA series from Wachendorff Automation. This ensures precision, speed, maximum ease of use and short downtimes. Only the drill head is still attached by hand. All following drill pipes are automatically fed from a magazine and screwed together by a gripper unit. To ensure that the gripper unit knows how far it has to travel, a multi-turn encoder from Wachendorff Automation passes on the necessary position data to the controller via electrically isolated CANopen communication. IP67 all around. M12 connector for mechanically robust connection. Highest axial and radial bearing loads. With their patented Endro technology and Quattro-Mag technology, the single and multi-turn absolute value encoders of the WDGA series from Wachendorff have new outstanding features. We're free, since no gearbox and designed for the highest bearing loads. Environmentally friendly and maintenance free, as no buffer battery, high energy efficiency due to low power consumption, space saving design, highest accuracy and dynamics.